again, we have questions on PSAT. So this question was extracted from some of the exams of some of our students that did PSAT exams. We're going to be solving a lot of PSAT questions and also SAT questions, so that to prepare a lot of students want to write exams can go to our site, our YouTube page, and all of our social media handles and get to understand more of all these questions. So we're going to be solving this question and then more. Okay, now for this, how many numbers between 1 and 100 are multiples of both 2 and 7? Very good. This is a very wonderful question. What are you going to do here is you're going to first of all, for what this you're going to find was what are the multiples of 7. And the multiple of 7, they are what? 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, and 98. Very good. So after getting the one for multiples of 7, the next thing now you need to do is what? Then you have to, for the multiples that were also what? You need to now find what? Now you need to now bring out the multiples of 2 out of this place. Now you need to identify that all the multiples of 2 in this place, they are going to all what? The even numbers. So let's go ahead. So we have them. So you're going to have this 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, and 98. I know someone will ask, what is even number? Even number are numbers that can be divisible by 2. Those numbers can be divisible by 2. They are all what? Even numbers. So looking at these are what? They say what? How many numbers between 1 and 100 are what? Multiples of what? 2 and 7. So the numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is what? 7 numbers. So probably if they have option there, you have to click what? That options. And if you don't have options, just write this there in your answer. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's try to solve one more. Let's try to solve one more question. So imagine you have this. For this question, look at what they asked us. At a local store, an item that was usually sold for $45 is currently on sales for $30. By what percent is that item discounted? Very good. What you're going to need to do first here is for you to even identify what is the formula we're going to use here. The formula I'm going to use here, so formula I'm going to use here is what? Is different. Difference all over what? Original times 100. So that is formula you're going to use. So after having that, you now need to know what is the previous price before to the current price. That is the difference you're going to find. And then you know that they said the price is for what? For $45 before. Now at what? At $30. And then the original is what? Is $45. Then you multiply by what? 100. And then you go ahead. 45 minus 30 will give us what? $15. All over what? $45 times 100. We are trying to look for what? What is the percent what? By what percent is that item discounted? Very good. So if you divide this, 3 can 15 year 1, 15 year what? 3. And then you have what? 100 all over 3. So if you find what 100 divided by 3, that will give us what? 33 all number 1 all over 3%. That is the answer for this kind of question. You'll be seeing a lot about this kind of question, asking to find what the percentage change. So what you need to do is to understand this formula, difference all about original times 100. That is where the price was before and then what you have currently divided by the original. The original is the initial price, and then you divide that, and then you'll be able to get your answer. That is exactly what the question is going to tell you to do. Thank you very much for joining us today. More questions again, we're going to be solving more questions. At least every week we're going to be trying to solve at least, up to at least 7 questions on PSAT and also SAT and some other questions like the question. Show us your question, send us your question. We are available. We're going to get them solved. Thank you very much. Bye.